Ladies and gentlemen, we don't have to imagine that we are living in this modern world, because now we are living in this modern world already, right? And we can see something different from the past. Probably, as what we have learned from our speakers already, is that in the past we can meet people by door-to-doors or face-to-face, more likely. But now we connect with each other by using social media as well as with technological tools. At the same time, he also brought us to something even further. He let us understand more about the social connection and humanizing as well. This is very important for all of us to understand the concept of this speech as well. At the same time, his project is about to make us laugh at the same time. And he also used some of the anecdotal story to help us to understand the project objective, as well as let us involve in the speech. It has a strong audience engagement. The structure of the speech was well structured from the start to the end of the speech with a clear message. I do believe that we got to know the message of the speech already, as well as we were fully engaged in this session as well. At the same time, he also has a strong vocal variety, where he has demonstrated each point clearly for all of us to understand. At the same time, he also plays around with his voice. It's like the word ha ha ha. Sometimes he make it louder, ha ha ha. Or sometimes he make it a bit soft for all of us to follow through his speech as well. That was a great technique for us as public speakers to use different vocal variety and the value of the speech itself. So it helps us to clearly understand their speech, as well as the feelings, the expressions that our speaker has already provided to us. Last but not least, he also has a strong body language. He at the same time demonstrated by using his hand gesture. He also used body movement. He moved from one part to another to make sure that he can engage each and every one of us. He also used his eye contact, which is not left everyone behind. Even someone at the back also can see him. He also connected them. Even the cameraman who were standing in front of him as well. So that is the art of being a public speaker. Everyone is included. We cannot left anyone behind. So we have to cover each and every one of us. Not just only our voice, but also our body language as well. Especially our eye contact. We have to look each and every one. At the same time, to level up our speakers to even further level and to become a master of humorous speech speakers, I would like to suggest to the speaker to work on a short story. It should be a short, awakening story of where we can insert the humorous in the speech itself. For example, if our speakers were talking about TikToks, I think this is the common topic for us, right? So we should use some sort of story, probably a personal story or anyone's story. It's like you were on a bath, and then in the morning you heard the alarm clock ding 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 ding, and then you just woke up with a very fresh energy. But then, what should you do next? Probably, I just go and take my phone and look at TikTok. I saw their words so beautiful and cutie cats over there. I just give it a like at the times, and then I keep scrolling, and then it's more than 45 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, it was just a very short reflection to what you have done at the same times. So I would like to hear that some sort of story that it's a lively story, at the same time adding additional humor in that story. So that is only one little suggestion from my side. All in all, our speaker have done a very good job. I love his speech. I love the way he structured his speech, as well as vocal variety, body language, eye context, as well as the speech value itself as well. So only one little suggestion is to create a short anecdotes that can actually make us laugh, as well as make it as a humorous one and a lightning speech.